Time check, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. So gihatod na namo si Sean. Mga supportive parents. Early kayo. Good morning.
Kaya ako sa may table po. Picture per person. Mawala mo. Ito na tayo.
Next, good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Lisa, and of course, the comeback is real. She's here. Miss Pearl Mangalon, ready to get that.
Isa na lang po, isa na lang.
Isa?
Dalawa kami. Ay, mga duro.
Is in need of a raised belt. If you have a spare raised belt, just give it to me and I'll hand it over to her. Again, if you have a spare raised belt, a double track chip, please check your left ankle. It's ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 5:35.
5:35.
Get ready, please make your way to the start corral. Good morning, Tribal Hall.
Good luck, Sean!
Nana si Jover, nana si Sean.
Sean! Gitrat ka na mo, Sean!
Hindi ko sana, i-appeal ni Juan.
Okay, so the first swimmer, she's about to
Wala siya diri David.
Okay, ato ito, katanawin mo yung kaban sa
Shia. Kinakalaban na naman ako ng mga kasama ko rito. Girl power, baby! Sounds like a cartoon from the 80s. Good job, Erica. Great job. Erica, our first timer. Sean Hover. Welcome back, Sean.
Sean!
Jack, good job, baby. Michelle.
Go, kuya!
Good luck, Sean!
Ira Cortez.
Go, kuya!
Michelle, good job, Michelle. Good job, good job. Anton, where's Anton? There he is. Good job.
2, 1, 2!
You're not done yet, Pearl. Ano?
Go!
Go!
Good luck, Sean!
All right, we are calling out all the Sunrise Sprint participants.
Supportive parents!
Go! Panis.
Sean! Go, Sean! Go, Sean! Woo! Go, Sean! Go, Sean! Woo! Run, run, run! Woo! Muna ni ma'am? Go, Sean! Go, Sean!
Woo! Kuya, nice one! Iron Man finisher!
On the Sunrise Sprint finish line.
Angak! Congrats! Yan ano ba? Iron Man! Ano? Ato dito, ano mga? Dito ka?
Ricardo Jesus Gutierrez. Marion Jose Cornelius. John King.
Nice one!
Back team
Woo!
defense.
Finisher Iron Man 5150!
Let's go, Brian.
Dali lang.
Rosos. Infinite multi-sport. Welcome back.
Congrats, Kuya!
Congratulations!
Individual swim, bike and run. 51:50 finisher.
Yay!
Congrats! Mga proud.